How to add Payoneer account in Teespring. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can link your Payoneer account into Teespring. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're gonna be able to find website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So basically you just go into your dashboard and here at the end of the left panel you're gonna find the settings. Here in settings, if you begin to scroll down, you're gonna be able to find, let me translate this to English, to set the PayPal account and the Payoneer account. But with Payoneer, it's different from PayPal because you just can access this option once you have funds available to request a payout. So you have to sell something here into your Teespring account, and if you have some funds here, you're gonna be able to go there and set your Payoneer account. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.